Hey guys, how's it going? I want to do another E30 update as I got a ton of parts in. So exterior is pretty much the same, but we did get the JP fiberglass over fenders in. So my next video will be fully test fitting them. I'm hoping to have the rear section, the rear taillight section of the car cut and re-welded with this new piece, because of all the damage to all the Bondo that someone previously did. I put a fresh taillight in and it cracked the inside, so that's not going to work. So we got a full, brand new, fresh taillight section to go in. And finally got my hands on a Garagistic bolt-in cage. They're not producing at the moment, so I was able to snag one from Jigsaw on Instagram. He wasn't planning to sell it, but I gave him what he wanted, so it's mine now. I'm going to get it re-powder coated. So put down in the comments what color you think it should be. Red, black, white, purple, green, put down in the comments. I'll show a quick sneak peek of the Mako Motorsports and Pro Sport Gauges cluster that I'm doing. I'll have a full video on the install. There's just running into a few issues at the moment. One issue being I still need the old cluster still plugged in. Fuel works, kind of. There's a few bugs with that I'm working on. We still have the check engine light, or the check light. So once you tap the brake and get rid of the check panel, it goes away. High beam works, and blinkers. Oh, that's not blinkers. Blinker. Oh, that's turned. That sucks. I gotta tighten that up again. But blinkers work. Tack doesn't work at the moment. It reads off. So I have a Dakota digital universal tack and speedo adapter coming. So working on that. Camera died, but we're back. So that's a work in progress. I'm hoping to have that finished by end of this week, when the video goes up tomorrow, which is Tuesday. The taillight section is getting welded this weekend. I'm also having, excuse the mess, but I'm also having subframes reinforced front and rear this weekend for the E30, so that I can take the subframes off this car, which has Garagistic ADA bushings, and swap it onto the S50 car, which is just sitting collecting parts. As for my headlights, I finally was able to find someone to drill a hole through the Crazy the God LED headlights. So I am having AM Innovations, I'll put the Instagram right here, make me a 3D printed intake. I had one cut off Amazon, but the drill bit just gets too hot, and then the plastic gets just too chewed up to have anything very good looking. So we're working on that. So that'll be a really nice and clean setup. Just got to figure out a way to mount it so it's nice and flush with the glass, but then also have it nice and strong so that I can connect my intake to the motor to it. So that's the update. Still waiting on some more parts for the exterior. I got to figure out what I want to do with the sunroof. Oh, I completely forgot. I do have my 2M Motorsports dash here. So that's getting flocked this week as well. The reason why the Pesh Motorsport dash did not work was because, one, with my cluster setup, the depth on the Pesh dash was not long enough to be how a normal E30 cluster is. So this one has all the OEM mounting holes. So this has the divots perfect for the cluster. So this is going to work great and look a lot better and fit a lot better than the Pesh dash. Not saying that doesn't fit well. It fits great, just not what I'm looking for. So again, that's for sale. So is the sunroof panel. But I'm trying to finish up the interior and just be done with it. The wiring I know is a mess. I'll clean that up. But I need to flock the dash, finish the cluster, and get this cage repowder coated. And the interior is pretty much done, besides my solid mount shifter from Garagistic, and I'm trying to figure out what center console-ish area, something I want to run. So that will be on a later video. And then as for the motor, nothing has really changed underneath here. It's all the same, still runs. There's a little of a clicking sound that I think is coming from the pulleys that I need to get checked out. And I think I said last video, I did the fuel tank and a new fuel pump, so that should fix my overpressure that I had. So, and then the only change would be this CA Tune radiator mount. I needed a radiator mount for the S50 car, so I figured this looks great. Wanted to order one, got it ordered, and it fits great and looks great. So that's about it on the engine. I'm really trying to get this car dialed in and done and getting ready for paint and getting the body kit mounted. So that's with the subframes. I have all the E36 M3 knuckles, so I just got to get the suspension for the car. I still need Z3M, M Roadster, M Coupe, full rear end, trailing arms, axles, brakes, e-brake lines, and the diff maybe. I really just need the cover since I have a LSD for the car. So if anyone's got that or is selling the whole car, I'll buy the whole car. If we can come out to a deal, I prefer a salvage title, rebuilt title. I prefer not a clean title because I'd feel bad taking apart a clean title car, but you got to do what you got to do. So if anyone's got one of those for sale, I'm willing to pay for shipping of the car, pay for shipping of the parts. Just let me know. I'm trying to get that ASAP. But still got plenty of other parts to get. Still need to get some Motorsport hardware stud kit for this car and for this car. And there's just a few other miscellaneous parts. Still need bumpers. I need to do something with the sunroof. We'll need a new front windshield, but that can wait. Still figuring out what door cards I want to run. I'm kind of happy with those, kind of not happy with them, so we'll see. I'm really just, again, trying to get this car done and stop messing around and just buying and reselling parts. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, put them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @TheMaskDriver. And if you guys need any E30 or E36 M3 parts, hit up Rage at Parts, my parts page. And I also want to give a massive thank you to my sponsors, Garagistic, ECS Tuning, Mishimoto, PurOl, and Shadowline Motorsports for supporting the build. I'm really pushing to get the car done, like I keep saying. So thank you guys for supporting me. The car will be done eventually. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.